So the most unique thing about working with the IntelliFinishing system specifically is that it has that unique design on how it's getting the carriers coming around the system.
We initially had the design for 3 load systems and added a 4th one that was actually reversed of the other 2 systems. What that allows is for us to add more parts that were larger, which was critical to our Fort Smith operation, knowing we were going to be running parcel conveyor.
So we've had the IntelliFinishing system here for now 4 years, and it is a very easy system to train our employees with to be a ground level where they start out at. So within installing the conveyor that allows us to move our product from fabrication to paint, it allowed us to be more in sync with the paint line, allowing us to hang parts easier and getting a better output. So I use this system on a day-to-day basis, and it's very easy to use.
Hytrol installed a conveyor system to be able to feed and integrate into our IntelliFinishing system. And with that, we really wanted to reduce the amount of whip that we have between our fabrication and paint systems.
That brought all of the product up from the floor to waist high. It eliminated the ergonomic problem of bending down and picking up parts. It also secondarily increased our throughput, allowing for parts to be transported from our fabrication department to our paint department without the use of a forklift or any other vehicle. In addition to the other 3 load systems, allows us to keep the line running every day. The Hytrol conveyor that is integrated with the IntelliFinishing system has built-in controls that allows us to optimize which pallets go to which load stations for the most efficient loading processes.
I would recommend installing a Hytrol conveyor integrated with an IntelliFinishing system to most people. With that, we're able to safely integrate an existing conveyor with a new conveyor.